I was born in 1926, in an extraordinary time. Back then, the future was just round the corner. Science, technology, and innovation, fruits of the Industrial Revolution, were finally tasted across the British Empire. This characteristic volcanic black soil that I hold in my hand was the darling of the British Crown. You see, some might observe the irony, but these pristine white soft cotton balls prefer to grow in this coarse black soil. The smell of this soil, some say, has changed since the Empire left these lands, but cotton continued to thrive here for centuries. There is yet another unmistakable whiff in the air. If we follow this wispy exotic perfume, it will lead us north to a remarkable spectacle of nature.